The streets of Clonmel were this morning being swept after the busiest weekend of the year in the town. Musicians were packing their banjos, fiddles and flutes and heading home after the annual Fleadh Cheoil hÉireann, which saw tens of thousands of children and adults from here and abroad come to Clonmel to take part in competitions, play on the streets and in the pubs. Gardaí and public representatives say that the vast majority of the public were very well behaved and that all the offences committed over the weekend were minor.
Similar to other towns at the size of Clonmel, you would have similar amount of arrests on any particular weekend, any weekend in the year. So is it normal that the arrests here in this town have not exceeded what happens generally in any town in Ireland?
Gardaí admit there were more arrests this weekend in Clonmel than on a normal weekend, but it must be taken in the context of 120,000 people coming into the town. Gardaí arrested 19 people yesterday morning for public order offences following a number of unconnected early morning rows in the centre of the town. All were locals. The festival organisers say the actions of a small minority will not influence where the festival goes next year.
The connection with Clonmel and Coltis has been absolutely brilliant. Like, there has been some new things has happened in Coltis over the last 5 years, the 5 years that the Fleadh has been in Clonmel in the earlier 90s, and now this Shocked in the hÉireann, for example, over the last 2 years has been an absolutely wonderful success. Originated in Clonmel and will go on obviously for years to come now.
Damien Tiernan, RT News, Clonmel.